Imagine the world's first cross-device magnetic adapter with 18-karat gold plating and the world's strongest magnets. X-Connect adapter. Connect to all your mobile devices using your own cable. Wait. My own cable? It works by connecting the tip to the phone, the adapter to your cable, and they magnetize instantly. Quickly and easily. Even in difficult situations. Share with your friends. Disconnect when you're in a rush. You don't have to worry about accidental damage. It works for fast charge and data transfer. Reversible, so you can connect first go every time. And make your cables last longer. One cable is all you need. 3 gold-plated adapters, Apple Lightning, micro USB and USB-C. Fits all modern USB devices. X-Connect is designed by ASAP Technologies, who through the magic of crowdfunding have already shipped to more than 20,000 backers from all over the world. If it's a whole new cable you need, choose X-Connect cables for an even stronger and more stable connection. With the convenience of a reversible Type A, stay neater. Cables that are built to last. Help us to bring X-Connect adapter to life. Support us today and simplify your life.
paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
We are so proud of that we've come this far. But to meet the price point for more people, we need your support and green. We truly believe that the solar technology can relieve the battery problem we face every day and contribute to making the world greener. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy the sunshine.